Already we learned how to write single digit and how we can show single digit on Abacus. If you did not see that video, click the link or I will give link in the description.
Today I am going to teach how to write two-digit numbers in Abacus book.
So already we know this is ones or units place and this is tens place.
When we draw the lines, left side we consider as a tens place, right side it is ones place, and this is an answer bar.
Number, for example, we will write 12. So on tens place we have to draw one bead, and on ones place we have to draw two beads. "36. 3. On tens place we have to draw three beads, three lower beads, and on ones place we have to draw one upper bead and one lower bead. It means 5 and 6. For example, 59. On tens place we have to draw one upper bead. On ones place, one upper bead means it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So one upper bead and four lower bead on ones place. Now we will write 25.
On tens place,
We will draw two lower beads. On ones place, only one upper bead. Few more examples I would like to give. "48. So, on tens place, four lower bead, 1, 2, 3 and 4. On ones place, one upper bead means it is 5 and three lower beads, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next number, 99. It means on ones place, one upper bead, on tens place one upper bead and four lower beads. Means 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. On ones place also same. One upper bead means it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. One more number, 78. 7 means on tens place one upper bead, 5, 6 and 7. On ones place one upper bead, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is 78. "21. It means here two lower bead on tens place and ones place one lower bead. Subscribe this channel for more this type of videos.